on today's stock video. So this is our view for today. We're utilizing a GoPro to capture a time lapse, and you don't need high-end cameras. You can just shoot with a GoPro. This is shooting at 4K, so the idea is get a foreground and have the clouds moving from left to right, and you can see the transition of all the different lighting scenarios down there. And this is probably the cleanest part of Los Angeles after it rains, and you're gonna get all this beautiful clouds and the blue sky. And this is what we're gonna come up with, and we get various angles around the observatory.